this is Throne by Jordan Welch. Nice chorus in the key of F sharp, E flat minor. So here we go. It's and the So this is the beginning. I'm not gonna play the whole song. So first chord we have E flat minor or E flat minor 7, D diminished 7, F sharp major to E flat over G, and then you playing a E over G sharp, and then you play F sharp major 13, E flat minor to D flat. So the first change I did right here, going into the D diminished, I did it's like a little roll, and I fall right into the chord. So the A and the L. Now, the only thing I would do different in my left hand, I would add either this F right here, or this B note. See, that sounds better. If your first chord is E flat, you can find a way to get to it, like in your intro, you can do passing chords. So he actually did something like he did something over the diminished, because remember 7 to 1, 5 to 1. You so just a seven dominant 7 to a 3 dominant 7 with a flat 9, and then to your 6 minor. So that's a F dominant 7, B flat dominant 7 or dominant 9 to E flat minor, and it gets you into the song. It moves better when you just go chromatically down. So that's something too you can add instead of going direct, like I was saying earlier, how you don't want to just play this like this with 2 of the same tritones in both hands because you're missing these colors of that chord. You could do this. And the so you playing that note a little delayed. But that, more just musical movements. We're talking about movements and passing chords. So that's, certain movements you should have. So, and then I'm going to do this. I just let that tritone go and just move to the next one. So. Instead of going flat 7 over the 2, I just did a minor 2 over flat 7 to 4 major 9, and then to your 6 minor to 5. So E flat to C sharp. So the names of the chords, let me just do that. That's a E major 7 to a B major 9, and then E flat minor, D flat. And then as I just did like a little chromatic move, because diminishes the way they're threaded into scales and stuff. A half tone diminished, a whole tone diminished would be, if you put both of those scales together, you get a chromatic scale anyway. That's the whole tone diminished scale, the half tone diminished scale. Now I can do, so that's still B. I could do this F. So this is, you could look at it like over F or A. So we could do dissonance into that, or I could just play A, B flat. So you could do, and then to the E minor. So this chord I wouldn't play that in the bass. I'm just showing y'all it would be. So it'll get you there.